Today, we're stepping into a world of sweetness, creativity, and pure joy, because we're about to explore one of the world's largest and most diverse cake manufacturing factories. From towering layered cakes to perfectly molded mini desserts, this place isn't just a factory. It's a dessert wonderland where precision meets passion. Every cake here begins as a simple mix of flour, sugar, and imagination. But what happens next is where the magic truly begins. Massive machines whirl into action, blending ingredients with extreme accuracy. Conveyor belts stretch endlessly, carrying trays of soft sponge through giant ovens where they rise to perfection. And the smell? Oh! It's like walking into a dream. The most fascinating part? Despite the scale, everything is handled with such care. The same love and attention you'd expect from a homemade cake, just multiplied by thousands. This isn't just about cakes. It's about moments, smiles, celebrations, and happiness, all packed into a box of sweetness. And guess what? We're just getting started. Next, we're going to spend some time walking through the actual factory floor, where these delicious creations come to life, one batch at a time. Get ready to see frosting flowing, sponges rising, and decorations flying faster than you can say chocolate ganache. This is cake making on a whole other level. And trust me, you don't want to miss it. Before stepping into the factory, every employee must follow strict hygiene protocols. They're seen suiting up in full protective gear, white coats, gloves, face masks, and even hairnets. This isn't just a formality. It's a vital step to ensure the cakes remain uncontaminated and safe for consumption. The factory maintains world-class hygiene, and it's impressive to see how seriously this part is taken. Now, let's move inside and begin the process. The first thing that catches our attention is a conveyor belt, gently rolling hundreds of eggs toward an automated cracking machine. This machine is a marvel of precision, cracking each egg cleanly and separating the shells without wasting a single drop. What's fascinating is that the entire egg, including both the yolk and white, is used here, ensuring a rich and fluffy batter. Next, large vats of premium flour are brought in. The flour is carefully measured and poured into giant industrial mixers, where it combines with the eggs. But that's not all. Additional ingredients are automatically dispensed, including sugar, butter, and a hint of vanilla essence. These components are synchronized by the system to maintain consistent taste and texture in every batch. Now comes the part where magic begins. An enormous, high-powered mixing machine begins churning the ingredients with astonishing speed and accuracy. You can literally see the transformation from individual ingredients into a smooth, velvety batter. As the batter thickens, a golden syrup, perhaps a sugar or flavor-enhancing concentrate, is poured into another nozzle, blending seamlessly into the mix. This syrup not only adds sweetness, but also gives the cakes that moist, melt-in-the-mouth quality we all love. This stage ends with a rich, aromatic batter, perfectly blended, and ready for the next step in the journey of cake creation. Now that the batter is perfectly mixed and ready, the next step in this delicious journey begins: the preparation for baking. A fully automated system pours the mixture neatly into dozens of cake molds lined up on a fast-moving conveyor belt. Each mold is filled precisely and evenly, ensuring uniformity in every single cake. The sight is truly mesmerizing, rows of batter-filled molds gliding smoothly like soldiers in formation. Once filled, the trays are passed over to factory staff, who gently shake and adjust the molds to make sure the batter spreads evenly across all corners. This ensures a flawless finish once the cakes are baked. Next, these molds are carefully loaded into massive industrial ovens, the heart of the factory. These ovens are wide, tall, and engineered for consistent, high-volume baking. Inside, heat circulates evenly, baking the cakes to perfection with golden brown tops and soft, moist centers. After the perfect bake, the hot trays are taken out with great care. The aroma that fills the air at the stage is simply mouth-watering. But there's no time to pause, because the next process begins almost instantly. The baked cakes are placed on a rolling conveyor machine that carries them to an automated slicing station. Here, a high-speed slicing blade cuts each cake horizontally into 4 to 5 even layers, preparing them for their rich cream fillings and layering. As the sliced pieces continue on their journey, another machine sprays a light syrup across each layer. This step is crucial. It adds moisture and flavor, making sure the final product stays fresh, soft, and delicious. Finally, the syrup-coated slices are picked up by skilled employees and gently placed onto fresh trays. These trays are moved to another section of the factory, where the layering and cream filling process is about to begin. And now, we enter the most delightful phase of the process, the magical layering and decorating of cakes. After the soft sponge has been perfectly sliced into even layers, they move along the conveyor belt, ready for their sweet transformation. First, a thick layer of creamy frosting is skillfully applied by automated nozzles. These machines don't just pour, they paint with precision, covering each layer evenly before the next slice is gently placed on top. This layering continues like a delicate dance, cake cream, until the desired height is reached. Once the layering is done, the entire cake enters another chamber, where rotating arms swirl a full coat of cream around it, wrapping it in a smooth, velvety blanket. The surface becomes a flawless canvas, ready for artistry. The machines here are not just mechanical, they're programmed decorators. One system pipes intricate borders with cream, another adds colored gels and floral patterns. It's mesmerizing to watch as technology mimics the hand of a master baker. But that's not all. In the next phase, a specialized machine moves in to write messages on each cake, happy birthday, congratulations, and many more, all done by robotic precision. And for certain cake types, edible decorations like chocolate shavings, sugar pearls, or fruit slices are placed gently using automated arms with soft tips. Some cakes are left whole, while others move forward to precision slicer. In one swift motion, circular cakes are cut into perfect wedges, while rectangular cakes are portioned into slices, ready to be packed for individual sale. Every slice looks identical. No human could match this consistency. And here's the real charm. This entire section of the factory is buzzing with the energy of variety. Different cream flavors, colors, and decorations are constantly changed with pre-programmed settings. In just minutes, the same machines create chocolate fudge, vanilla swirl, black forest, and even exotic mango cakes, all in rotation. From spongy layers to artistic perfection, this is more than cake production. It's culinary engineering at its finest. And we're just getting started.